Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y01 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically, depending on what kind of system navigation type you've got, you can enter the recents differently, and the recents is the section which we have to open. So if you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up gently and hold it somewhere here. And if you've got the three buttons actually navigation, then just tap on the 3 bars icon, I believe. So let me enter the recents, and as you can see here, we've got all previously opened apps. And of course, if you want to, you can close only one of it or 2 of them. Just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you'd like to close all of them because you've got a lot of apps opened, then simply tap on clear all. As you can see, we just got back to the home page, so let's check the recents again. And here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background tabs. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off running apps in your VIVO Y01. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.